अस्सलाम वालेकुम मुस्तफ़ा। हम क्या प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं?
आज हम इनके साथ एक प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे और हम
पिक्चर पहले पेज दिखाएंगे। देखिए, हम इनको काटेंगे, फिर हम इनको स्टिक करेंगे, फिर हम इनकी
लगा देंगे नीचे।
फिर हम इनकी एक स्टोरी बनाएंगे। ऐसे ही है। Cut the stickers and paste on ice cream stick to make your own story puppets and retell the story. You can make your own storytelling as well. So continue the process. चलो शाहजहान, चलिए सब बच्चे अपना प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करें और सबकी स्टोरीज हम यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड करेंगे। Okay, Abhiya, this is your turn.
Yes.
What is your story name?
The robber.
Okay, start your story.
There was a robber who was hungry. He found an farm. He ran to the farm to get an egg. There was a chicken who was giving eggs. The robber get the egg and run back to home for her dinner. Then the girl saw the robber. The robber ran fast. The girl told to the magic man that the robber take the egg. Magic man said, the robber will go to his home, so you can get your egg back from his home. The robber was in her home. The girl go and take the egg back from the robber, but the robber saw and the robber take the egg back and hit the girl. The girl fell down and the girl go back to the farm. There, Jack was finding her mother to tell the cow was hungry. Her mother was playing music. Then Jack found his mother and tell, "Mom, the cow is hungry. give food for cow. Her mother said, we have no food, we have only egg. The egg is taken with the egg. The robber take the egg. So what do we do? Then the girl come and say, and tell her home. Where is her home? Then the girl saw the cow. The girl said, oh, I think the cow is hungry. I will get a new egg from the farm. Suddenly, the girl slipped in the mud in the farm. The boy saw, and the boy picked the girl. Thank you for listening my story.
Thank you so much, Abhiya. Can I take a picture of your
Yes.
puppets? All the puppets?
You can.
Okay. Another one? Another side? Okay. Thank you. Mustafa, what is your story name?
My story name is Two Grandmas. Once upon a time, there was two grandpa.
Mustafa, you have to speak aloud.
Once upon a time, there was two grandpas. They were very friendly to everyone. They said, I am going here and there. And everyone said, no, I will come back and go then. Once upon a time, and the man said, these two grandmas were sleeping. And this one, the girl come and said to his dad, please, I need some money to buy some food for my mother. He said no. And then she go to this grandma. She said, I will eat you. And she unclosed and start coming. Suddenly the man come and see him and said, why you did it? And the girl ran and hid here in the side of the ball. And the girl fell down and throws again. When she got woke up, she saw a man down. He said, now you why did it? And she ran again. And the girl and dad said sorry, and he get money and bought food for his grandma. Shukriya.
Thank you, Mustafa.
My name is Shazman, and I am going to tell about the grandpa house. One day, the siblings went to meet grandpa and grandmother for one day sleepover. Hi, grandma, the children says. They reply, I am fine. How are you? We are good too. Then they all went, and then grandma went to the kitchen, and they went upstairs, and grandpa went to the garden for giving water. And by the way, the two siblings was dancing and playing with each other and talking with each other. Then they said that we should do one thing that make grandpa and grandmother together and happy. Then they went to the garden and start building a big shoe. Finally, this big shoe was ready, and then the grandpa and grandmother came and see, oh wow, this is very good that they made. They replied, yes, we made this shoe. Oh, it's very wonderful. It's for us. The siblings replied, yes, why not? Then they each hugged together Thank you for listening my story.
Thank you so much, Shazamad.
Good morning. Today,
Amit, you can sit down.
Good morning. Today, I am going to show you these puppets, and these puppets. I made these puppets by myself.
Okay. What is
I
the
will
topic
tell-
of the story?
I will tell a story about these puppets, and the story topic is that two children were secretly coming to this woman, the woman and the grandfather, and they were secretly repairing their old things. First, when the grandpa was sleeping in his bedroom, then he heard a noise. He went to his room. He went to his lounge, and then he did not see anything. Then he went back to sleep. But secretly, the small children were repairing his shoes, and they were doing a good job. Then, after a few minutes later, the woman woke up and she also saw the shoes, and she got shocked that the shoes were repaired. So in the night, so she went to the room, and she woke up the grandpa, and the grandpa said, "I heard a noise in the lounge when I came back." So they started searching, and then they opened a closet, and then they found the little children. There were two children, one named Jack and the other named.
You can. आप यहाँ रख सकते हो बाकी सारे.
And one named Jack and the other named Sarah. And when the grandpa looked into the cabinet, he saw the two children. They were sitting down. And then the two children explained the story. The story was they came in another town, and they got lost, and they did not know what to do. So they were making shoes so they can not be bored. And then that is the story. Bye.
Thank you.
My name is Fatma, and today I will tell you about a story from the puppets. Here are my puppets that I have made them, and I will tell you a very interesting story from them.
It's your self-made story?
Yes.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there were two brothers named James and Alex. The James was very stubborn and don't like fishing, and he wanted to sit in home. But the other brother Alex wants to do fishing and do adventure and to explore things, but the other didn't want it to. So James asked from Alex that can I go for fishing, but the James refused. But the Alex refused that he should not go. But Alex was creative and wanted to go. So he made an idea when James was sleeping at night. He made an idea. So he went to the river and he found a boat. Then he took a rope and these to do roping and fixed his boat. Then he did boating, and then because he didn't know how to do the boating, he was very scary and he was about to drown. So then suddenly his brother woke up and saw him that he was at the beach. So then his brother went and took the stick and rope around on the boat. Then his brother's life was saved. So this story's moral is about saving others' life and that we have to go from our adults' advice, not by ourselves. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Fatma.